Hi everyone, it's Damien here from Aerotherm, and today I will be continuing our series on installing and opening STAR-CCM Plus for the first time. Last time I took you all through the downloading process on the Siemens Support Center, and so today I shall show you how to extract and install STAR-CCM Plus through the use of the installation wizard previously downloaded. Today we are going to start off by taking the previously installed compressed folder and extracting it, as seen here. Due to the size of the file, this can take a minute or two and may or may not automatically open the extracted folder afterwards. I will be with you afterwards. Once the extraction process has been completed, you can then open up the destination folder and open up the installation wizard. Just give it a moment to load. You will then be given a choice of languages to use during installation, and today we will be using English. This will then take you to a welcome page. Once reading this, you can select the next button to transition to the license notice page. I do recommend reading through this before you press accept and press next. This will then take you to the installation method selection. You will be given two options to choose between, the express method and the custom method. We are going to be using the express method today. Don't worry about this is just because I've previously installed STAR-CCM, you will not get this pop-up. This will then take you to the Product Excellent page. Once again, I highly recommend reading through this before pressing accept and next. This will take you to the Setup License page. Generally, our students use the Power on Demand license server, so for today we will be selecting that and then pressing next. This will take you to the review page where you review all of the installations that you will be installing onto your computer. Pressing the next button will then install STAR-CCM Plus, which can take a minute or two. Okay, now that the installation has completed, we can press the Done button. If you then go to your home screen, you will see two new shortcuts have been added. The first shortcut looks at the STAR-CCM Plus solver, and the second shortcut looks at the viewer. Today we will be using the first shortcut to open up the full solver. This will just take a minute to load. Now that STAR-CCM has opened, we have a choice to either create a new simulation file or load up an existing one. Today we will be opening up a new simulation file. You will have the option to either use a serial CPU, parallel CPUs, or you will have the choice to use a GPU. Now this is all dependent on the capabilities of your computer, and you can select these accordingly. Once this is done, you can look at selecting your simulation license type. There are a variety of different simulation license types, but today we will be using the Power on Demand. Once this is done, you can enter your Power on Demand key and then press OK.